guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hi my darling, I am Lungie, Sibeko, and welcome to my channel. Please do not leave without subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing to join my beautiful family. So today we have an installation video. I got this hair from Wiggins Hair. It is a 13x4 hdlace wig that is 24 inches. It is a body wave wig, sana. Body wave piss guabo. So yeah, this is how the hair looks. Cause yeah, get in with it. So yeah, let us install this hair. Get in.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up there and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up to miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? When you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up to miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? When you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there. make me float.